First of all, thank you so much for the kind introduction and having me to this session. And I'm very honored to be here sharing my experience and knowledge I learned from my time in aviation for over 45 years. Okay, aviation. Airline is part of aviation, and aviation consists of these four pillars over here, like the aircraft manufacturer, like a Boeing and Airbus, and commercial passenger business, and commercial cargo, freight business, and military is another important part of this aviation. But look at this number, a huge number of the flights are flying at this moment. When you say airline, what's in your mind? Maybe in-flight service. And next is the passenger service, airport operations. Okay, sales marketing, like the HR, IT, and government affairs, fleet planning, strategy, and finance, and loyalty, and legal, of course. We are working very close together with the many business partners in different industries, such as tourism and hotels, and what's next? Trade and government, as I said, and embassy and educational sectors, and other transportation together on surface, on city development sometimes, and sport activities. We're working with them. So these all industries are the partners all the time to work together to best promote our product and tourist product to the world, to carry more passenger and more shipment around the world. As you can see the next slide, there's a big contribution of aviation dealing with the tourism. And climate action plan is one of the goals of the airline. This consists of the three pillars. One is operation and fleet efficiency. Another one is the waste reduction. And another one is sustainable aviation fuel. This chart is showing from left-hand side, small aircraft to the big aircraft on the right-hand side is moving. On the left-hand side, airline approach by making advertisement and information to the market. And that hits some potential customer to travel. And this customer make the travel decision to what airline to take, where to go, by which price, and on which schedule is fitting you. So this customer make the decision to take a certain flight. Then going to the one more right hand, experience of the travel. Then if he or she likes the airline, then that person will coming back to the airline. Then airline locking these customers. So these are brief outline only for the small part of the airline business.
A question just about the airline industry in general, from your perspective or from what you've seen. Industries, companies, businesses go through cycles. So I'm wondering what you're thinking about the regulation, deregulation cycle, or the aggregation, deaggregation cycle of the airline industry, any aspects that it's going through at the moment, across countries, across trading blocks, or globally. So I think that gives you plenty of scope for an answer.
Thank you for your question. And this is only my personal view. Regulation cycle will not be happening frequently, because once the regulation is done and also the approval is given to the certain airlines, that is a right for them to fly. And also the country agreement and also the approval is given. There's no limit to use it. And also the trading business is much related, but the regulation is, if there's something happens, is very influenced to the aviation, then the regulation will be happening. But from that point, I have no idea.
Yeah,
thank you.
Oh, call me, Dan.
Okay, I'll give you a ring. Okay, bye-bye.
So,
Bye.
so, yeah, so
Thank you, Mr.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you. Bye.